Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us today at Enhancing Low Voltage System Design and Modeling using Revit plugins. My name is Fady Ishak. I'm the CEO and the BIM Solutions Manager at BIM Designs, and it's my pleasure to join you this year at the BIM Coordinator Summit of 2024. With this being said, let's dive in. In today's world, every construction project has technology systems. The integration of technology systems have become a permanent part of every construction project. However, these systems are not always presented as well as they need to be. And that's why we came up with Tech Plus. Tech Plus is a Revit plugin that revolutionized the way we design a model and plan the construction of technology systems. Some of the key features of Tech Plus is that it streamlines the design process by being able to provide two modules, a network topology module and a 3D modeling module. Also, using the 3D modeling option in this Revit plugin, we are able to do clash detection and coordination for technology systems among themselves and also with other trades. It allows for material takeoff, port to device identification, as well as integrating with BMS systems. See, the plugin is divided into two parts. The first part is the network topology module, and the second part is the 3D modeling module. And these two modules get married together to give us the unification or a unified module or a unified model. This unified model carries both data or both types of information about the network topology as well as the 3D space and characteristics that the system needs in order to live within your construction project. Another feature we've created at this plugin is that it can come as an independent module. We can create a module just for the network topology where the POE or the data network designer can go about like designing his network and creating all the connections without relying on the 3D model. This network design is eventually imported into our Revit plugin that has both modules, and from there the modeler can start planning the cable routes and different 3D modeling characteristics in order to house that system. That allows for clash detection and coordination utilizing the 3D model that we see at the first picture. And then we can complete this 3D model with a clash detection coordination with other trades as well as itself. That allows for a complete system coordination where you don't have to deal with network lines like the ones you see in the picture here, but rather have organized and planned cable trays and routes for your data systems, while you know exactly where each device is located and which port on which switch it's connected to. And eventually, after you have your complete system both planned on the network side, on the network topology side, as well as on the 3D model, you can have the peace of mind to extract a material quantity estimation or bill of material that you know and be confident that it will satisfy everything you need on site. So, hey, what systems can benefit from such a Revit plugin? Well, there's quite a bit. Starting with data systems and communication, planning the entire data and internet network in your building, and being able to map the entire network, both on a network topology side, as well as planning the cable routing and location and do clash detection coordination. That becomes very useful. Also, security systems. A lot of security systems nowadays are dependent on technologies like PoE, power over Ethernet, and these also require quite accurate planning for connection and data and feed and control of these systems. Also, your audiovisual installations. Lighting and small appliances, again, talking about PoE systems. And the quite interesting thing about this plugin is when it comes to PoE systems, this plugin can do load calculations where the PoE system designer can plan the loads they're putting on each switch and how they're going to supply the power needed for the light fixtures and the appliances they intend to use that technology to power. Fire alarm system networks can also be modeled and designed using Tech Plus. And finally, after the complete system has been designed and modeled, and you've done your clash detection coordination, you can take your final model and integrate it with building monitoring system softwares. What we see here is an example of the material takeoff. As you can see on the left side, we have a network that has been designed, and we can see the quantities and every device that has been used in that network, and we can extract a bill of material out of that. On the right-hand side, with the cables and the cable routes planned here, we can see the types and the lengths of each cable and where the end device that it goes to is located. And based on that, we can extract our cable lengths and quantities of like our RJ45 connectors and network switches. Finally, port to device identification, being able to identify which device or which data outlet is connected to which port on which switch can help you to map your data network more accurately, ensuring network integrity and more simplified troubleshooting and maintenance, which overall would enhance your data system management. The results, eventually, a complete model that identifies the location of every device you have with complete network topology and mapping that has also been represented in a 3D model and clash detected with all the other systems. And then you can take this and integrate it with your building monitoring system for real system performance monitoring, automated commissioning capabilities, improved operational efficiency, and continuous system optimization. The benefits of this is reduction in design errors, increase in productivity, improvement in cost control, and overall client satisfaction. This was our presentation about Tech Plus. My name is Fady Ishak. Thank you very much for joining me today.